This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a twin-turbocharged forced induction system, a sports suspension, traction control and stability control systems, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a rear-view camera, big 20-inch wheels, roof rails, leather seats, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, dual power seats, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
All American Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 520 River Street in Hackensack.